So next example of change of order. Change the order of integration 0 to 2a x square by 4a to 3a minus x fxy dy dx. So I have to change the order only. The function is not necessary. So function is not given. fxy is just given. That is the function. Particular function is not given. Because in order to change the order of integration, the function is not necessary. The integrand is not necessary. So just we have to change the order, and this is the limit in terms of x, means this is on y. So y runs from this to this, and x runs from to this. That is, integration is here with respect to y first, and then with respect to x. And we have to change the order, means we have to integrate with respect to x first, and then with respect to x. So first draw the figure. In order to change the order of integration, figure is important. So how we can draw the figure? Figure is obtained from the limit of the integration. So this is y is equal to x square by 4a, means x square is equal to 4ay. And this is the equation of parabola. X square is equal to 4ay is the equation of parabola around x square, means around y axis. So this is the figure of x square is equal to 4a. That is, y is equal to x square by 4a, means x square is equal to 4a. X square is equal to 4a. X square is equal to 4a is the equation of parabola. Square of one of them, x square, is there. Therefore, it is around y axis. And so this is the diagram or graph of the x square is equal to 4ay. Then y is equal to 3a minus x, means x plus y is equal to 3a, or x plus y minus 3a is equal to 0 is the equation of straight line. This y is equal to 3a minus x, means x plus y plus 3a minus 3a is equal to 0 is the equation of straight line, because ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of straight line in general form. And the constant term is not equal to 0. The constant term is 3a. Therefore, it's does not passes through origin. The line does not passes through origin. And so how we can draw the figure of this line? So just find 2 points on this line. You need 2 points on this line. X plus y is equal to 3a is straight line, and this x square is equal to 4a is parabola. So just obtain 2 points on this line. How we can obtain 2 points? Substitute y is equal to 0, then x is 3a. So 3a 0 point. This is the 3a 0 point. Take 3a distance from origin on x-axis, then 3a 0 right here, 0. It is not a. 3a 0 is 1 point. Then another point. How we can obtain another point? Substitute x is equal to 0. Then y is 3a. And so 3a 0 3a 0 3a is the another point on the line. So mention these 2 points on x-axis and y-axis and draw the line passing through these 2 points. That 3a 0 right here 0 and 0 3a. So we get the diagram of this y is equal to 3a minus x, or x plus y is equal to 3a. Okay. Then next is x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y-axis, this y-axis. And x is equal to 2a is this line. X is equal to 2a. And if we find the point of contact of this straight line and this parabola x square is equal to 4ay, then we have it is 2aa. So how we can find the point of contact, this point of contact? So solve these 2 equations. Solve these 2 equations. X square is equal to 4ay, or x square is equal to 4ay, and x plus y is equal to 3a. That is, substitute here x as a 3a minus y, and then it's square and solve this. We have the answer of x is 2a and y is a. So this is the point of contact. And this x is equal to 2a is the line passing through this point also, because this is distance 2a, and this x is equal to 2a is at a distance 2a from y-axis. In this line x is equal to 2a, this upper limit is the line, straight line parallel to y-axis at a distance 2a. And this point, the point of contact of this straight line and this parabola is 2aa, means this line passes through this point of intersection of this straight line and parabola. Okay, so this is the figure first. Now we have to integrate with respect to right. This description is not necessary in the answer. So just after this, write solving these two equation point of contact, and then just write this integration. Given integration is equal to, like this structure, is fxy as it is, and instead of dy dx, write dx dy. Then double integration. Okay. So first we observed here. We have to integrate with respect to x first, means we have to take strip parallel to x-axis. But if we take strip parallel to x-axis, so like this, and if we move this strip from this point to this point to cover this area, then we observe that after this point, after this line LA, the one end of the strip touches to this, before that it is touches to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. But after this line, this strip touches to this straight line. And that's why the strip touches to the two curves for covering this region, in covering this region. And that's why we divide this total area of integration in two parts, in two regions, R1 and R2. That is up to, in the region R1, now this strip, if you move from this point to this point, then it is it's one end, both the ends touches to unique curve. That is, this end touches to this line, this end touches to this parabola. And in R2 region now, if you take the strip parallel to x-axis, then it runs, in order to cover the R2, if we move strip from L point to B point, then it's both ends, it's one end touches to this y-axis and the other end touches to this straight line from bottom to end. Okay, so if such a problem is arise, that is, if we move the strip and if it's one end or both end touches to different curves, in that case we divide the interval in 1, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Okay, so this is the difference between the previous example of change of order of integration and this example, or the examples we are going to take in this lecture. These are different from the previous lecture. That is, we have to divide the region of integration in either 2 parts or 3 parts. Okay, because of the strip is not strip, one end of the strip touches to the different curves in covering the region of integration. So divide this region, draw this line LA parallel to this x-axis, and we divide these two in 2 parts, R1 and R2. And so this given integration is equal to double integration, addition of 2 integrations, integration over R1, double integration over R1, double integration over R2. Write that step, and then is equal to, So no need to write this description. Directly we write double integration is equal to double integration over R1, right? Double integration, don't write limit, just write double integration over R1 fxy dx dy and over R2 fxy dx dy. Okay, and then write this step, that double integration. So first is limit of x runs from x is equal to, and this is y is equal to, here write x is equal to and y is equal to that. Then we have to find the limit of this. So first is R1 region. So in R1 region, this strip touches to left, its one end touches to the line y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 is its lower limit. Y is equal to 0 is lower limit. And the another end touches to the line, the curve x square is equal to 4ay, and from this we have y is x square by 4a. So it's x square by 4a is upper limit, x square by 4a. We have to find the value of x. So one end touches to the line, y-axis means x is equal to 0, and another end touches to this curve, x square is equal to 4ay. So from this we have the value of x is what? 2 root ay. 2 root ay is its upper limit, 2 root ay. And y runs from, in order to cover this region R1, we have to move this strip point, this point to this point. So at this point, x is 0, and at this point x is a, because the coordinate of this point is 2a, means this distance is a. Okay, so x runs from 0 to a. So this x runs from 0 to a. Plus, then here is also the region R2. In region R2, integration x runs from. So if we consider the region R2, and if we take a strip parallel to x-axis, then its one end touches to the line x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the lower limit, and the upper limit, the other end of the line touches to the line what? The line equation of this line is what? This is the equation of line x plus y is equal to 3a. And so x is what? 3a minus y. So x is equal to 3a minus y is upper limit. And now the limit of x. So in order to cover the region R2, we have to move this strip point, this point to this point. And at this point, x is a. And at this point, x is, not x, y is at this point, y is a. And at this point, y is 3a. So y runs from a to 3a. So y runs from a to 3a. So x runs from 0 to 3a minus y, and fxy dx dy. So this is the answer, change of order of the integration. In order to change the integration here, we have to write its sum of two parts, two integrals, the sum of two integrals. Okay, so the next problem of the same type. So we have to change the order of integration. So here the limit of x and y are given. Okay, so these are the limit on y. So y is what? Y is root 2a x minus x square, means squaring both sides, we have the equation x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. And this is the equation of circle. This is the equation of circle having center a0. So how we can find the center of this equation? This is the equation of circle in general form. So what is the equation of circle in general form? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. What is 2g? 2g is minus 2a, means g is minus a, and f is 0, c is 0. And so what is the formula for circle? Is minus g minus f. So minus g is already minus a, so plus a, 0, f is 0. And radius is what? Root g square minus f square minus c square. That is minus a square is a square minus 0 minus 0. That is a is the radius. So this is the equation of circle with center a0 and radius a. So first draw that circle. So this is the circle. A0 is this at this point. So this point, and then suppose this is 2a0. Then this is the circle having radius a and radius a and center a0. So this is the figure of y is equal to root 2ax minus x squared. Then y is equal to root x. So y is equal to root x, then squaring we have y square is equal to 2ax. And this is the equation of parabola around x-axis. Y square means around y-axis, around x-axis. The parabola around x-axis. There is a y square means this is the equation of parabola around y-x, around x-axis. Y square is there, around y-axis. And in order to draw this parabola, y square is equal to 2x, we just find one or 2 points on this. So obviously its vertex is 0, 0. This parabola y square is equal to 2x passes through 0, 0. And if you substitute x as suppose 2a, x as 2a, then y square is equal to 2a into 2a, 4a square. That is y is also 2a. So this is the point 2a, 2a. This is the point 2a, 2a. This parabola passes through point 2a, 2a. And therefore, this distance is a. So its double is 2a, 2a. Okay. And another line is x. This is x is equal to 0 means y-axis. Y-axis. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. And x is equal to 2a. This is the x is equal to 2a line. X is equal to 2a. Okay. So this point is 2a, 2a. Suppose lies on the line x is equal to 2a. This is x is equal to 2a line parallel to y-axis. And then draw a parabola passing through this point. So this is the parabola, figure of parabola. So this is the parabola equation diagram of y square is equal to 2x or y is equal to root ax. So draw first this diagram. Okay, so in order to change here, the integration is now with respect to y first. We have to integrate with respect to x first. Therefore, take a strip parallel to x-axis. But if we take strip parallel to x-axis, then in this region, the strip touches to one end, touches to this parabola, one end touches to this circle, and in this this part R2, the strip parallel touches to this circle and then touches to other end, touches to this line. And if this strip move to this region, then it's one end of this strip again changes. So we had to divide this region in three parts: R1, R2, R3, and then the given integration. So write the given integration. This is equal to addition of three integration. Addition, right? First step is equal to double integration fx dx dy R1 plus double integration over R2 plus double integration over R3, like that, and then write this step. So in the region R1, this is the description, write this description or directly write the lower limit and upper limit. So in R over R1, the region R1, so write this structure, that double integration. Here x runs from, because the integration is with respect to x first, so x runs from, y runs from. Okay, so x runs from what? So in the region R1, one end of the strip touches to the parabola y square is equal to 2x, and so from this x is y square by 2a, so y square by 2a is lower limit. And then upper limit, in order to find the upper limit, in region R1, the strip parallel to x-axis touches another end touches to the circle, this circle x square plus y square is equal to 2x. So find the value of x. So it is x square minus 2x plus y square is equal to 0. That is, this is the equation, quadratic equation in x. And then x is what? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we have this answer. Take this 4 as common. We have 2 and 2 get cancelled. Divide by 2. Here 2 is not, divide by 2 is not given. So write divide by 2. So this is the quadratic equation in x, and therefore this is the equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c. C is y square is equal to 0. So minus b means minus 2a becomes plus 2a plus minus root b square minus 2a square is 4a square minus 4. A is 1, coefficient of x square is 1, and c is y square, divided by 2a. 2a is 1, so divide by 2, and then we have this answer. And so a plus root a square minus y square is upper limit. A minus a square root a square minus y square, or write a plus root a square minus y square. Okay, so take the upper limit as a minus root a square plus a square minus y square, or a plus root a square minus y square. So other end of the strip touches to this circle, and therefore value of the x is this. And now, in order to cover the region R1, we have to move this strip point, this point O to E point. And at the point O, y is 0. At the point E, y is a. So y runs from 0 to a. Then double integration over R2. That integration, the answer of that integration is what? In the region region R2, if we draw the strip parallel to x-axis, then one end of this strip touches to this line, x square plus y square minus 2x. From this, the value of x is what? A plus root a square minus y square. So if we take here minus sign, then here take plus sign, or if we take here plus sign, then take here minus sign. So a plus root a square minus y square, and the other end of the strip touches to the line x is equal to 2a. So x is equal to 2a is its upper limit. X is equal to 2a is its upper limit. Okay, and in order to cover this region R2, we have to move the strip from this point B to D, and at the B point y is 0, at the point D y is a. So y runs from 0 to a. And then in region R3, draw a strip parallel to x-axis, and then one end touches to the parabola y square is equal to 2x, and so its value from this x is what? Y square by 2a. So y square by 2a is lower limit. Y square by 2a is lower limit. And another end of the strip touches to the line x is equal to 2a. So x is equal to 2a is the upper limit. 2a is the upper limit. 2a here. 2a is the upper limit. And in order to cover this region R2, R3, we have to move this strip point, this point to this point. And at this point, y is a, and at this point, y is 2a. So limit is y is equal to a to 2a. So this is the final answer. So the same type problem we will see in the next lecture.